Hello. This morning I was going to make a coffee, and then I find out that my coffee maker Keurig, it doesn't work for some reason. So when I press like this, so when I select so it didn't work. So I don't know what's wrong. So I turn off the power just to make sure. What I do is I unplug the coffee maker first, and I check if the water is okay, the water is just full enough, and then I will take this off. So I took this off. This is a rubber that around the sharp needles, but make sure be careful when you take this off, the rubber. And then you might use steel string like this, toothpick, or small enough that fit into that needle. So just insert that needle, insert the string to that needle, like clean it up, but make sure be careful anyway. Just insert this string into the needle to clean up the coffee that's stuck inside. So just make sure it's clean up. And then I'm gonna use this toothpick. Okay, when you do this, be careful and just make sure the pipe is all clear now. Make sure the pipe is clear now. Okay. All right, now let's put it back. This little rubber to the needle, and plug in again. So put it back. Put back the rubber and plug in, and look up here and turn the machine, and okay, now let's select. Let's try this. As you can see now, it works. So good luck guys, and hope to see you soon. Bye.